I'm Juan Viruel, research leader in conservation genetics at Kew. We are presenting the project Conservation Plan Design for the Iberian narrow-endemic Androsacic cantabrica in the family Primulaceae.
In the North Iberian Cantabrian range grows one interesting plant, Androsacic cantabrica. This Primulaceae is potentially endangered due to habitat loss caused by two main drivers: global warming and reduction of open areas. Androsacic cantabrica grows restricted to the highest ridge above 2,000 meters. An increase of temperature and reduction of snow coverage might dramatically influence survival and establishment of seedlings. Indeed, there is a reduction of extensive livestock pressure in the area, which favors ericaceous shrubs and therefore reduces the open habitats these tiny species prefer.
As we specified in the project form, there still are uncertainties regarding the taxonomic entity of Androsacic cantabrica, and to answer this, we have generated and spent 3x3 data for several populations of Androsacic cantabrica and for other related Androsacic species. This data will be available for the student together with distribution data. The main aim of this project is to assess the conservation status and to elaborate a conservation plan for Androsacic cantabrica by first defining taxonomic boundaries based on phylogenetic methods. Second, to estimate genetic diversity and structure between and within populations. Third, generating an updated distribution map of occurrence. And depending on timing and students' preference, we will complete an AOCM assessment and also to conduct species distribution models. The project is oriented to be published in a scientific journal such as Conservation Genetics, and the student will also be trained in scientific writing. Students will have two supervisors, myself and Pablo Tejero, who is the curator at Jaca Herbarium in north of Spain. We have previously collaborated in a project called Prior Connects. Pablo will be available to receive and host the student in Spain and to coordinate a field trip and visit natural populations of Androsacic cantabrica during its flowering time in late spring. We hope you find this project interesting and to offer a nice working atmosphere.